Welcome to Fanpage Karma. In this video I'm going to show you how to implement an alert system that will notify you about certain activities of social media profiles, like for example new posts of your competitors or if there's a shitstorm happening on your page. Go to More and Alerts, and here you see there are 3 different alerts: the morning report, the post alert and the shitstorm alert. The morning report is a daily email report which gives you a quick review of the activities of certain social media profiles the day before. Like for example, how much they've grown, how much engagement they had, which posts were made, what the top posts, what the flop posts were, and the like. To order it, you have to check this box up here, and then go to the dashboards down below and choose the social media profiles. You can choose an unlimited number of profiles of different networks. And tomorrow morning you get your review to this email address up here. If this is not the right one, you can change it by clicking on this button. Also, if you missed the morning report because you're just now ordering it and it's the afternoon, you can click on this button to get today's morning report again. The post alert will notify you about new posts of Facebook pages. Just type in the ID of the Facebook page. It doesn't have to be your own, can be any Facebook page, like for example Starbucks. Or Mercedes. Or to add your own pages, click plus all my pages, grant the insights permissions, and then you can choose all pages that you're the admin of. Select them individually or all together. And now you'll get a notification about any new posts of any of these pages via this email address again. And last but not least, there's the shitstorm alert. Like the post alert, this is exclusive to Facebook pages, and it will alert you when there's an unusual activity on a Facebook page. Now what is unusual you can define yourself. Just type in the ID of the Facebook page, select it, and now you can define what a shitstorm means to you. For example, if a single post of the selected profile gets more than 500 comments, you want to know about it because this is unusual and you might want to interfere if it's your own page, or you might want to know about it if it's the page of your competitor, what they are raging or discussing about. You can freely pick a number here. It might be 20, 50 or 1,000 comments. And you can also get notified about user posts happening on the page. So if a user posts on the wall of a Facebook page and it receives an unusual amount of comments, shares or reactions, you want to know about it. Or if the Facebook page receives a critical number of user posts within 10 minutes. So just enter the critical number of your choice. Or you might just want to get notified about just any user post that's happening on the page. So just check this box and you'll be notified. This is how you set your alerts with Fanpage Karma. Now you don't have to miss out on anything anymore. Have fun!